Morning. Good morning. Are you ready for your injection today? Good morning. Good morning. Are you ready? Good morning. So, punta kami ngayon sa GP para sa immunization ni Ace. Second dose ng kanyang 6-in-1 rotavirus at saka meningitis vaccine. Tama ba? Meningitis B vaccine. So, ayan. Ang weather today is -3. So, ayan. Pero, may mga nakikita na kami snow. Pero ito talaga yung actual. Siguro nag-snow kagabi. So, -3. Ayan, ang lamig-lamig. So, ayan, kahit maaraw, malamig pa rin talaga siya. Still, okay na din. May araw kaysa umuulan na sobrang lamig. So, ayan, may mga snow na siya. Kagabi ata to. Ayan. So, ayan. After 10 minutes walk or 15 minutes walk, nandito na kami sa aming GP. Check-in lang namin si Ace para matawag na din siya.
Just leave 2 legs out. Oh, actually, I'll do the mouth. I'll do the drops first.
Yeah.
And then we'll do the legs.
One. That's good. Next, Adria. Wow. Yeah.
You'll be fine. That's for you.
Baby. Okay. It's fine.
Very good. That's for you, love.
You look at this.
You feel bad now?
It's your point for mommy. Hold the baby.
Okay na, sige.
Hold the baby.
But I'm not.
Guys, matapos na yung vaccine ni Ace. Balik namin is 16 weeks niya. So, ang vaccine dito 8 weeks, tapos 12 weeks, tapos 16 weeks, which is sa February 2 na. Then after noon is 1 year na 1 year na ang next. 1 year old na niya. So, ayan. Painumin na namin siya ng paracetamol mamaya para iwas lagnat. Punta lang kami yung town center. Saan tayo? Bibili lang kami ng pangtulog ni Adrian. So, yan. Nakabili na kami ng inner at mga pangtulog ni Adrian. Ayan.
Yung mga bitin sa'yo, gawin na lang.
Sa Ace na yun? Kamusta ang injection yan? Masakit? Opo. Masakit po, ma'am? Opo, masakit. Opo, change natin na tayo. Okay. Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. See you next time. Ingat kayo and God bless. us. Say bye-bye. Bye.